Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be trying out something new. We'll be trying out orange leaves from actual orange tree. This is just a male trial. This haven't been proven anywhere to help with hair growth. This is just me trying it out to know what it does to the hair. These are the things I found based on my research. Orange leaves contains flavonoids and other antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress on the scalp, supporting a healthy environment for your hair growth. It also contains anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial property that can help reduce itchy scalp. It also fights dandruff and prevents scalp infection. For the sake of clarity, I am going to try out this for 2 weeks. Then I'll come back to let you guys know if it actually works. And if it doesn't, I won't advise anybody to try it. This is just me voluntarily trying something nobody else have tried. Having said that, let's get into the preparation. The first thing I need to do is to pick out the leaves. At this point, you need to be very careful because there are thorns that can poke you on this. As you can see, it's very sharp and this can injure you, so you need to be very gentle while doing it and make sure you're careful. Orange trees are found everywhere, especially in Africa. It is like one of the most common trees you can find around, so getting this won't be a problem. The leaves are quite dirty, so we need to give it a thorough wash later after we are done picking it. The reason I wanted to try this is because I know some people use orange peel for some DIY recipes. So I thought to myself, if someone can actually use orange peel for a DIY recipe, why can't we also use the orange leaf for a DIY? So I decided to just give it a try for my subscribers' sake. If it works, any other person can try it. I will take out few extremely dirty ones because I don't want to deal with that. It's too dirty. So I'm just going to use the other ones for this recipe. Just take your time while doing this. Do not rush it. You might end up getting to enjoy yourself. So just take your time. I noticed that the bigger leaves have like dirt that are already tangled to it. They are extreme dirt, so I won't be using this ones. I'm just gonna take it out while I wash it. So this is it. I have already finished washing it. As you can see, it is clean now and it is ready for the next process. So the next process will be me pouring this into my blender and blending it. Yeah, we're actually going to blend this, but there's another way you can do yours if you don't want to blend it. I know some people who do not like to put fresh things on their hair. You can actually boil this. Yeah, you can boil it and use the water as a rinse or as a daily moisturizer. To help with the blending process, I'm going to add a little water. Just this quantity is fine. I'm going to add it. If you have like a juice extractor, that is absolutely perfect. That way you don't have to add any water. You adding water is you diluting it. If it's possible not to add any water, that is absolutely perfect. Now let's start the blending process. I'm going to blend this until it is smooth. This took a while because the leaves are a bit strong. They are a bit hard. So this would obviously take a while. But it all boils down to your blender capacity. Like if you have like a stronger blender, it's going to blend it effortlessly. After much blending, let me show you guys what it actually looks like now, because I think this is okay. This consistency is actually very okay. So I'm just gonna off the blender and show you guys what we are working with. All right, see, this is what we are working with. It is blended smoothly. Yeah, this is okay. If you can blend it more, fine, but this is absolutely okay. We're going to bring it down and then we are going to head to the saving part. We are going to use my cheesecloth and this bowl you're seeing right now to sieve the juice. I don't recommend anyone to store this because if you store it inside your refrigerator for a few days, it's not going to be potent. That's if it actually works, it's not going to work, it's not going to do anything for you again. So it is better when you use it fresh. All right, like I said before, this is just a test run. I'm not promising anybody half an inch in 2 weeks or an inch in 1 month using this. If it's gonna work, it's gonna create a healthy environment for your hair to grow. So please, I don't want anybody misquoting me. So I don't know if it will work. I am just trying it. I'm repeating this again and again because someone will ask me, does it actually work? I don't know. I'm just trying it for the first time. So subscribe to the channel. So when I post an update after 2 weeks, you get to know whether or not it actually works. I'm going to transfer it into this applicator bottle. That is what we are going to use for easy application. Feel free to use your spray bottle. Like I said somewhere in this video, I do not advise you to actually make this and store it. Once you store it, the potency is going to reduce. So it's advisable you use it immediately after you're done with it. If you have to store it into your refrigerator, I recommend boiling it. I told you guys on my previous video that I actually compiled a 90 recipe ebook that you can get for yourself. So this is a reminder that the ebook is ready and you can go ahead and purchase it. It's just $3. You can purchase it with $3. If you're in Nigeria, it is around 4,000 something. So if you're ready, let me know. I'm gonna insert my number, my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me to get a copy. Thank you. Another important information I would like to put out there about this recipe is citric fruits are extremely drying to the hair if you overuse them, and it is important for you to always use a leave-in conditioner whenever you use something on your hair. So if you're going to use this, please and please make sure you use a leave-in conditioner so you not say it dried up your hair. So we are done with the preparation. The next and the final part of this video is the application process. So let me just quickly show you guys how I use this on my hair. I'm going to focus on my scalp and apply it while using my hand to massage it. After that, I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner. Do not skip that. Use a leave-in conditioner so your hair will not dry out. I'm going to use this video right here as day 1, and after 2 weeks I'm going to come back with the results for you guys. So if you're interested, like this video, comment I'm interested, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed so you won't miss anything. I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video, but before I go, I just want to say a big thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me. All right, I would like to see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye.